Why do we say a apple but an apple? And why is it the sun but a star? If this confuses you, don't worry. After this video, you'll never get articles wrong again. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn English articles in the easiest way possible. A, an, and the, with simple tricks and examples. What are articles? Articles are small words, but they are very important in English. We use them before nouns. There are only 3 articles: a, an, they. Now, let's understand each one step by step. Part 2, a versus an. First, let's talk about a and an. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. We use n before words that start with a vowel sound. Important, it's about sound, not spelling. Examples: a dog, a car, a university, because it sounds like you, an apple, an umbrella, an honest man, silent H. Trick, if it sounds like A-E-I-O-U, use A-N. Otherwise, part 3, use of the. Now let's understand the most confusing one. We use the when we talk about something specific or known. Examples: the sun, only one, the moon, the teacher, specific teacher. Also used for famous places, the Taj Mahal, rivers, the Ganga, unique things, the earth. Example: I saw a dog, any dog. I saw the dog, specific dog. See the difference? Part 4, common mistakes, 3 to 4 themin. Now let's fix some common mistakes. A apple, an apple. An university, a university. The ram, no article with names. Don't use the with RAM, India, languages, Ing subjects, maths, science, but the USA, the UK. So guys, now you know when to use a, when to use an, when to use the. Practice daily and you'll master English fast. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe for more English learning videos.